Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to record the screen on your Mac. Now, I need to mention up front that this method uses the built-in macOS app, and it doesn't have a lot of features to let you adjust the FPS. So it's really only suited for quickly recording simple videos. If you want to record your screen with more advanced and professional options, you should definitely consider using OBS Studio. I'll leave a link to an OBS Studio tutorial for macOS in the description below so you can check it out. But for now, to quickly record your screen on macOS, just press Shift-Command-5. You'll see the macOS Screenshot app tool pop up. Pay attention to the right side here. This is where the video recording icons are. The first icon lets you record the entire screen. The second icon lets you record a specific app window. The icons over on the left are for taking screenshots. Down here in the Options menu, you can set up your microphone and choose where to save the recording. Keep in mind with this method, you can't record internal audio playing from your Mac due to privacy settings. First, let's try recording the whole screen using the Record Entire Screen feature. Select that icon, then click on any empty space on your screen, and the video will start recording right away. You'll see a record icon appear up here on the menu bar. When you want to stop recording, just click on this icon. A thumbnail will pop up at the bottom. Use your mouse to swipe it to the right, and the screen recording file will appear on your desktop. All right, let's press Shift-Command-5 again. This time, we'll try recording a specific app window. But before you do that, make sure to open the app you want to record. For example, I'm going to record my Safari browser window. I'll open up Safari, then press Shift-Command-5. Next, select the Record Selected Window feature. Then, simply click on the browser window. When you're ready to stop, just click the stop icon on the menu bar, exactly like we did before. This time, you'll end up with a video file that only shows the actions taking place inside that specific browser window. Just a quick note, when you press Shift-Command-5, you are essentially opening the video recording feature of the Screenshot app. You could also open the QuickTime Player app, go to the File menu, and select New Screen Recording. But at its core, it uses the exact same engine to record the screen. That's why using the Shift-Command-5 shortcut is just a much faster way to record your screen on macOS. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.